Hello friends, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about MCQs on Introduction of Control System. This is part 4 I am developing. Already I have developed part 1, part 2, part 3. And again I will develop one more part. So I am developing 5 parts and around 90 objective type questions I am developing on Introduction of Control System. So these questions will be helpful for facing competitive examination, IES examination, GATE examination. Then you can face university examination also based on that. And this will give the basic idea how to solve the objective type questions. So this is the question number 1, the principle of homogeneity and superposition theorem. The superposition theorem is applicable only for linear system and time variant. So homogeneity, it is answer linear time invariant. C answer is correct. It is applicable for, it is applicable for linear time invariant. Linear time variant control system, that is C. Okay. Question number 2. The negative feedback closed loop system was subjected to 15 volt. The system has forward gain. This is 15 volt input. The system has forward gain of 2 and the feedback gain of 0.5. Determine the output voltage and error voltage. If you draw a closed loop control system like this is C of S, this is R of S, it is given 15, clear? This is plus and I am taking a negative feedback, it is okay. And here it is given H of S and this is the takeoff point. So this is a closed loop control system. This is given 2, this is given 0.5 and this is given 15. Okay, C of S, okay. Now they are asking output voltage. What is the output voltage? Output voltage C of S equal to what? Output voltage is what? Transfer function is what? Our transfer function is what? C of S upon R of S, that is transfer function equal to GS upon 1. It is a negative feedback, so it is a plus GSHS. This is the transfer function. So CS upon RS equal to, you will get GS matlab 2 upon 1 plus, for a negative feedback it is a plus, GS is 2 into 0.5, 2 into 0.5, it is 1. So 2 upon, okay, so it is 2 upon 2, 2 upon 2, that is 1. So CS equal to what? 1 into RS, and we know RS is given kitna? 15. So answer either A or C is correct. Okay, A and C. Now second question, what is the error voltage? Error voltage E of S, yahan E of S, that is the error voltage. We have to find error E of S. What is E of S equal to? R of S minus B of S minus B of S. So this is R of S कितना है? 15 minus this B of S कितना है? This is 15 C of S into 0.5. 15 into 0.5, 7.5. So this E of S is the 7.5. You will get 15 minus 7.5 is 7.5. So yes, C answer is correct. So it is very simple concept we have. If you know everything, if you know the feedback closed loop control system with the negative feedback, you will get transfer function. Cs upon Rs is 1, so Cs you will get, and E of S you know it is a error signal, error voltage equal to Rs minus B of S. Okay. Question number 3. Okay, determine the transfer function of the system. Okay. So what we have to do, I'm doing one thing. I'm going to shift. I'm going to shift this takeoff point from here to here. राइट अगर यहाँ का टेक ऑफ पॉइंट यहाँ है और अगर यहाँ चला गया तो यहाँ है, सपोज करो कि H है, और यहाँ मान लो सपोज करो कि ये G है, और यहाँ से एक सिग्नल आप A ले रहे हैं, यहाँ से आप लेंगे तो ये क्या हो जाएगा, A इंटू जी। बट अगर यही सिग्नल A यहाँ जा रही है तो ये सिग्नल A यहाँ जाने चाहिए, सेम सिग्नल। जस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू सिंप्लीफाई द गिवन प्रॉब्लम बाय शिफ्टिंग दिस, बट फीडबैक शुड बी, यहाँ से H है तो H ही होनी चाहिए, H1 है तो H1 होनी चाहिए, इट शुड नॉट बी चेंज। सो यहाँ से अगर फीडबैक देंगे तो इट विल, इन प्लेस ऑफ A इट विल बिकम A by G। तो यहाँ क्या करने चाहिए, इफ यू आर शिफ्टिंग फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर, इट विल बी डिवाइडेड बाय द गेन G। If you divide by gain, so automatically this will be cancelled, you will get A from here. So any from anywhere, अगर यहाँ से A feedback है तो यहाँ से भी A ही आना चाहिए। Just we are simplifying. So I am going to shift from here to here. अगर मैं यहाँ shift कर देता हूँ इसको यहाँ, clear? This is removed. So what is this? It is divided by G3. ये सिग्नल जो हो गई वो H1 by G3 हो जाएगी, राइट। नाउ यू कैन से these two will become cascade, क्लियर। G2 एंड G3 G of S हो जाएंगे, और ये निगेटिव फीडबैक है H2। सो इसका आई एम गोइंग टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस पार्ट, आई एम गोइंग टू सिंप्लीफाई दिस इज G2 G3, this G2 G3 upon G of S upon 1, कौन सा फीडबैक है, नेगेटिव, तो माइनस नेगेटिव तो इट इज प्लस GS HS, GS मतलब G2 G3 H2, this is the transfer function. Now in this will be removed and this will be cascade with G1, so multiply by G1, this is the cascade with G1, you will get, this is one block, clear। Here it is a negative feedback, plus minus, and this feedback कितना है, H1 by G3। So what is the total transfer function, you can say GS upon, if you solve it and without, now इसके पहले के पार्ट में we have simplified it, so directly कैसे आएगा इसका ट्रांसफर फंक्शन, देखो GS that is G1 G2 G3 upon this, but after LCM ये कैंसिल होने वाला है, क्लियर। तो अपॉन क्या आने वाला आंसर, दिस G1 G2 G3 अपॉन 1 प्लस दिस 1 प्लस G2 G3 H2 ये प्लस this into this GSHS, so G1 G2 G3 upon into H1 by G3, so G3 cancel हो जाएगा, so you will get G1 G2 G1, G2, H1. This will be the answer. If you want, you can simplify. You can take the LCM and other way. But directly I have solved. This is the G of S. ये आएगा this numerator में, denominator में A आएगा plus this into this. So automatically G3 will be cancelled. You will get G1, G2 into H1. So check the answer. Sorry, this is something wrong. B नहीं है. Please. Okay. G1, G2, G3 upon 1 plus G2, G3, G2, G1, G2, G3 upon 1 plus G1, G2, G3, no, 1 plus G2, G3, H2 plus G2, G1, H1. Yes, A answer is correct. A answer is correct. So please, first step, how to simplify. It will not take much more time. Clear? If your concept is clear, it will take very less time. So such type of problem examiner can ask in GATE examination or in IES examination or in some PSU examinations. Question number 4. Using the Mason's-Gann formula, I am directly solving such type of problem now because we have taken some practice in part number 1, part 2, part 3. Please see this part 1, part 2, part 3 also. I have explained it, but here directly I will solve this problem by only forward path G2 or another forward path is G1, G2 plus G1, right? Upon यहाँ पर फॉरवर्ड पाथ गेन इनटू del 1 भी है. I think del 1 will be, I think it is 1 आएगा. Okay, upon close loop. So 1 minus this G2H1, minus plus G2H1. This will be the answer. So we will check G1 plus G2 upon 1 plus G1H. Question number 4. We have one path G1. Oh, sorry. One path is G1. This path. Another path is G2. Then one loop is this one, G2H1. G2H, sorry, not H1. G2H. Okay? Sorry. This is the loop, G2H1 minus. So minus plus. और एक पाथ ये भी है G1H minus G1 minus H. So minus plus into G1 into H. So that is the answer. So see G1 plus G2. Okay, 1 plus G1H plus G2H. Okay, this G2H, right? So C answer is correct. Question number 4, C answer is correct. Okay. So it is very simple. If you want, you can find the number of forward path only, then close loop. Okay. Question number 5. Question number 5. Zero initial condition for a system means. Zero initial conditions for a system means input reference signal is 0, no. Input reference signal is 0, no. Zero stored energy, we'll think about it. No initial movement. No initial movement of the moving part. No. System is at rest and no energy is stored. Yes, D answer is correct. System is at rest. जीरो इनिशियल कंडीशन का मतलब है सिस्टम इज एट रेस्ट एंड नो एनर्जी इज स्टोर्ड इन एनी ऑफ इट्स कंपोनेंट. सो डी आंसर इज करेक्ट. राइट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. फोर्स बैलेंस इक्वेशन फॉर ए डैश पार्ट. डैश पार्ट मतलब बी. अगर आपको याद हो तो बी इंटू डी एक्स बाई डी टी यूज किया है हमने. इक्वेशन एफ इक्वल टू फोर्स इक्वल टू एफ इक्वल टू बी इंटू डी एक्स बाई डी टी. मतलब डैश पार्ट मतलब फ्रिक्शन, और फ्रिक्शन में वेलोसिटी. दिस इज द वेलोसिटी. ओके. सो दिस इज द ओके. सो बी डी एक्स बाई डी टी. बी आंसर इज करेक्ट. Question number 7. Electrical analogy quantity for spring. Spring constant we know. If you discuss the force voltage analogy, so force voltage F will be 2. Its analogous is V mass, then B dash part, then K. Analogous quantity क्या है इसका? X. इसका एनालॉगस क्या है? M का L इंडक्टेंस. B का एनालॉगस क्या है? रेजिस्टेंस. K का एनालॉगस क्या है? 1/C. और X का एनालॉगस क्या है? Q चार्ज. तो C आंसर इज करेक्ट. ओके. एनालॉगस ऑफ K इज 1/C. Question number 8. Transfer function of a system can used to study its. Question number 8. Transfer function of a system can be used to study its steady state behavior. Correct. Transient behavior, this is also correct. So C, both A and B. Okay, C is correct. The answer is C. We can study both steady state behavior and transient behavior, right, with the help of transfer function. So answer C is correct. Question number 9. Question number 9. Which type of node comparison incoming as well as outgoing branches? In case of signal flow graph, these are the nodes. So this is having only outgoing signal, इसको बोलते हैं source node. This node is having only incoming signal, इसको बोलते हैं sync node. But this node is having incoming node signal also, outgoing signal also. This node is having incoming and outgoing both, इसको बोलते हैं chain node. Chain node. These two nodes are known as chain nodes. Okay, C answer is correct. Source node मतलब only outgoing signal. Sync node मतलब only incoming signal. This is having both. Okay. Question number 10. What is the transfer function of the given system? This is the system. I have given a circuit. So इसका transfer function we have to find. Now please see here. First of all, we will convert this given diagram into transform diagram. Transform diagram मतलब R will be converted into R. C will be replaced by 1/C into S. V in will be replaced by V in by of S. V out of S, or current is a I of S. So this is the transform diagram. If you are going to find the transfer function with the no initial condition, so you can draw the transform diagram. V out of S is what? What is V out of S? This is the voltage across this, and this is the V out of it. This voltage and this voltage will be same. क्या होगा? 1/CS into I of S. The voltage between these 2 points equal to voltage between these 2 points. 1/CS into I of S. And V in equal to, if you have only one loop, so you can go for KVL. What is the KVL? Current I कहाँ flow रहा? R plus 1/C into S. R plus 1/C into S into I of S equal to what? V in of S. Okay, so in this way you can V out, you can get V in. Now we want transfer function, it is the ratio of this, ratio of V out upon V in, this ratio. So this I of S and this I of S will be cancelled. After LCM C of S will be, C into S will be cancelled after LCM. तो क्या बचेगा इधर 1, आफ्टर एलसीएम C is cancelled और यहाँ क्या आएगा R CS plus 1, CS will be cancelled. Okay, so this is the transfer function. So is there? Yes, 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 yes. C answer is correct. C is there. So in this way you can do. If your concept is clear, you can simplify it, right? Okay. Next. Question number 11. Question number 11. For the given transfer function, identify the poles of the system. For the given transfer function, identify the poles of the system. See here. This is the transfer function is not given. We know transfer function is what? First we will find the transfer function. क्या होता है? CS upon RS. Transfer function is CS upon RS. CS कितना है ये? S square plus 3S plus 2. Okay, and RS is what? 3S minus 1. Okay. Something is wrong actually. A transfer function में that is the first essential condition. That is again question can ask. This is proper or improper? It is improper. कभी भी याद रखना. Order of denominator should be more than the order of numerator. यहाँ उल्टा हो रहा है. So something is wrong. Actually, if this is RS, okay, something is wrong. Actually, it should not be like this. It should be like this. 3S plus 3S minus 1 upon S square plus 3S plus 2. So this is the transfer function. CS upon RS. Okay. So maybe something wrong. So we have to identify the pole. So if you this equated to 0. So you can say S plus, देखो here second order means two poles are there, it is equated to 0. Two poles will be there, second order है तो, और इन दोनों का addition 3 चाहिए and multiplication 2 चाहिए, तो S plus 2 into S plus 1. Multiplication 2, 2 into 1 2, addition 3, 2 plus 1 3 equal to 0. So we have two poles, S equal to minus 2, S equal to minus 1. That is the answer. अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन है तो आंसर इज -2 -1. ये आंसर इज करेक्ट. But this is not correct. Please correct it. Okay. Question number 12. Where does the poles of the series RC circuit lie? Okay. अब भी ये सॉल्व किया था हमने. I think it was question number. It was question number 10. Okay. So V out upon V in. अगर आपको याद हो तो मैं डायरेक्ट लिखता हूँ. ट्रांसफर फंक्शन इक्वल टू व्हाट? V out मतलब कितना था? 1 by CS अपॉन इंटू I ऑफ S, और इनपुट क्या था? R plus 1 by CS into I of S. This is input. So transfer function output upon input will be, I will be cancelled. After LCM you will get 1 upon RCS plus 1, we got this answer there. Okay, 1 plus RCS plus 1. So here, if the denominator is equated to 0, RCS plus 1 equated to 0, you will get poles. I want pole. Okay, so if this is denominator is equated to 0, you will get pole. So S की value कितनी आएगी? -1 upon RC. This is the pole we have. So 1 by S equal to 1 by RC. B answer is correct. S equal to -1 by RC. B answer is correct. Question number 12. Question number 13. Okay, question number 13. For the given transfer function 2s plus 1 upon s square plus s plus 1, the differential equation is. So we know 13 transfer function cs, okay, y and x के फॉर्म में, sorry. So we can say transfer function is what? Transfer function equal to output y of s upon input x of s. ट्रांसफर फंक्शन क्या होता है? आउटपुट अपॉन इनपुट इन एस डोमेन. y ऑफ s अपॉन x ऑफ s कितना है? 2s प्लस 1 अपॉन s square plus s plus 1. So we will get this. Now if you cross multiply, so you will get s square y of s plus s y of s plus y of s, sorry, s into y of s plus y of s equal to 2s x of s, 2s x of s plus x of s. So in this way you will get in S domain. If you take the Laplace inverse of this, so S square मतलब डबल डिफरेंशिएशन है, डबल y डबल डॉट d square y by dt square, क्लियर, प्लस S का मतलब एक टाइम डिफरेंशिएशन है, क्लियर, y डॉट प्लस y, ओके, इक्वल टू 2s मतलब 2 टाइम्स s मतलब x डॉट, s मतलब x डॉट प्लस 1. Okay, so you can say this is the answer I have, that is d square y by dt square plus dy by dt plus y equal to 2 times dx by dt plus 1 plus x of s, sorry, it is x of s, x only, not x of s, x. So yes, d square y by dt square plus dy by dt plus y of t 2 dx by dt प्लस एक्स भी है ना, प्लस दिस इज 2 dx by dt plus x इक्वल, हाँ, सी आंसर इज करेक्ट. d square y by dt square plus dy by dt plus y equal to 2 dx by dt plus x. Okay, C answer is correct. So in this way you can get it. Okay, so first इसको क्या करेंगे हम? We will write the transfer function, cross multiply, okay, and then you will get the equation. Question number 14. Question number 14. The point from which the signal is taken for the feedback purpose is called a take-off point. The point from which a signal is taken for the feedback purpose is called as take-off point. Yes, जहाँ से आपका ये take-off point feedback के लिए लेते हैं उसको take-off point. It is called as take-off point. Question number 14 का C. Okay. Consider the block diagram. What would be the C of S? You can say here these G1, G2, G3 they are in forward path. Okay, so you can convert into 1. This is R of S, this is C of S, and this is G1 plus G2 minus G3. It is negative feedback. G1 plus G2 minus G3. G1 plus G2 minus G3. So C of S equal to what? G1 plus G2 minus G3 into RS. G1 plus G2 minus G3 RS. B answer is correct. G1 plus G2 minus G3, right? So this is the B answer is correct. Question number 16. Find the output of the block. Find the output of the block. देखो, I have यहाँ what is the input here? You can see from here. Please here. What is the value here? G1 into X of S. G1 into X of S. ये प्लस है. कभी भी रेफरेंस प्लस ही रहेगा. प्लस दिस. तो यहाँ क्या मिलेगा? What is the output here? You will get G1 X of S plus X2 of S. Clear? So you got here multiply by G2. You will get Y of S. So Y of S equal to what? X of S into G1 plus G1 into X of S plus X2, sorry. So if you simplify, you will get G1 into G2 into X of S plus G2 into X2 of S. So G1 into G2, G1 into G2. Okay, if you take G1 X plus X2, yes, A answer is correct. A. Y equal to X of S into G1 plus X2 into, out of bracket it is G2. Okay, so A answer is correct. This. So in this way you can find the output. Question number 17. Question number 17. What is the transfer function? Transfer function. Okay. So first, transfer function from the Mason's gain formula. What is the transfer function from the Mason's gain formula? For forward path G1, G2, G3 into 1. एक होगा न्यू G1, G2, G3 into del 1 plus. And is there any forward path? Yes, G1, G2 into 1. G1, G2, okay, into del 2. I will discuss this point later on. Upon delta. Delta means 1 minus sum of all individual gains. What is the gain? We have एक loop ये है, देखो ये G2 into 1, G2 only. एक loop ये है G2 into S2 minus, so minus G2 H2, minus G2 H2. Okay, okay. एक लूप ये नहीं है, ये एक ये है, देखो माइनस, तो माइनस एक लूप ही है, दिस इज द लूप। देखो कौन सा लूप है, G2 G3 H1 माइनस, तो माइनस G2 G3 H1, ओके। एंड डेल्टा वन मतलब यहाँ पर डेल्टा वन क्या आएगा, वैल्यू ऑफ डेल्टा ये, बट इट शुड नॉट टच एनीवेयर दिस पाथ, एंड हर जगह टच कर रहा तो ऑल दिस टर्म विल बी बिकम जीरो, सो इट इज 1. This is delta 2. Delta 2 means the value of delta, but it should not touch anywhere this path. Sorry. Second path कौन सा है, ये G2 into 1. This path को कहीं भी टच नहीं करना चाहिए, और it is touching everywhere. Second path is what? Forward path G1 into G2 into 1. It should not touch, so it will become 1. So that is answer. G1 G2 G3, G1 G2 G3 plus G1 G2, okay, upon 1 minus minus plus G2 H2 plus G2 G3 H1. Something is wrong. G1 G2 G3 upon G1 G2, numerator is okay. 1 minus G2 plus G2 H2 plus G2 G3 H1. ये माइनस साइन चाहिए था, और ये G2 H1 कहाँ से आ गया, G2 H1, सॉरी, वन मोर लूप वाज देयर. यहाँ से आ रहा है G2 into 1 into minus H1, so G2 यहाँ वन मोर लूप इज देयर, minus G2 H1 minus G2 this and this loop, ऐसा like this, okay. So minus, okay, और ये close the bracket. तो यहाँ क्या हो जाएगा, ये G2 H1 प्लस हो जाएगा, बट व्हाट अबाउट प्लस साइन, वाई इट इज ए प्लस साइन, G2 into 1 and it is 1 is given positive, so G2 positive है, so 1 minus G2, so it should be negative. और अगर यहाँ if it is like this, अगर यहाँ माइनस साइन होता, so this will be plus. Clear? So something is missing here, either this is minus 1, okay, if this is minus 1, in place of 1 it is minus 1, so यहाँ क्या आएगा, minus G2 and minus minus plus, so that is that some difficulty is there, but okay, so C answer is correct. C answer is correct. Next question, 18. Type and order of the transfer function G of S is given. K upon S plus 2, or you can say K upon S square plus 2S. Okay, so this is the G of S. Now order highest power of S in denominator is 2. Order is 2. Lowest order in the denominator 1. It gives the type. Type कहाँ से मिलता है? Lowest order of S in the denominator is 1. Type and highest order of denominator or highest order of the transfer function in the denominator is 2. So it is 2. So type पहले है, ऑर्डर बाद में, टाइप 1 ऑर्डर 2, ए आंसर इज करेक्ट. ओके. Question number 19. Okay, 19. Find the transfer function. Okay, please see here. This part, you can say here, this part. What is this? This is forming a closed loop. So इस part का क्या आएगा? Transfer function. We can find the transfer function G2 upon 1. It is a positive feedback. This is positive feedback. So minus G2 H2. Right? So this is the transfer function now. Closed loop. Now this will not be there now. So it will form with this one. This G1 is forming a cascade. So G1 into G2. Okay. This is RS. It is not given. It is not given. So we will assume this maybe later on. Okay. But what is the feedback? It is H1 or H1 H2. और here feedback क्या है इसके लिए? H1 है कि H1 into H2 है? It is H1 into H2. So it is H1 into H2. Okay. Now, what is the transfer function of the system is G1 into G2. This will be cancelled after LCM upon 1 minus G2 H2. Clear? I am assuming it is a negative feedback. Negative feedback. So what will happen? Negative or positive feedback. So if it is negative feedback, so GS, this is GS upon 1 plus GSHS. और अगर it is positive feedback, तो यहाँ आएगा GS upon 1 minus G1 G2 upon 1 minus G2 H2. GS upon 1 minus GS HS. HS कितना है? H1 H2. So after LCM this will be cancelled and you will get G1 G2. G1 G2. After LCM this will be cancelled. यहाँ आएगा 1 minus G2 H2 और ये माइनस G1 G2 H1 H2. 1 minus G2 H2 minus G1 G2 H1 H2. C answer is correct. But please, this is a lengthy process. I will simply solve this problem by this way. Please see here. First of all, what we will do, we will take, this is the feedback, so we got this answer. Then this is forming a cascade with G1, so it is this, and this is the, I think I have taken positive feedback. Now, what is your answer? What is your answer? This is without doing any this, you can say this is G1 G2. इसको आगे सॉल्व करने की जरूरत नहीं है. This will be cancelled after LCM upon this 1 minus G2 H2. पॉजिटिव फीडबैक है तो माइनस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ दिस इंटू दिस GSHS. So G1, G2, H1, H2. Please don't simplify again. So that is the answer. C answer is correct. Okay, by practice you will get this. So this is the question number 19. And last question I'm going to solve here. Question number 20. This is the question number 20. It is very simple again. This is forming a closed loop with a positive feedback. Then this and this is forming a cascade, and again it is a negative feedback. So please do it. This is answered without doing anything. I'm going to solve it. This is G2H1 GSHS. Okay, so क्या आएगा G2 upon 1 पॉजिटिव फीडबैक है तो माइनस G2H1. I got this. With this is the cascade into G1. So this will become a GS, total GS for this feedback upon. Okay, so this is the GS and plus it is a negative feedback. It is a negative feedback. It is H2. No need to do anything. Directly this is we got G2, G1, this. Okay, after LCM this will be cancelled upon this 1 minus G2 H1. I will get as it is. Now with the negative feedback, so it is a plus product of this into this into this. G1 G2 H2 G1 G2 H2. So you can save your time. That is the answer. So G1 G2 upon 1 minus G2 H1, 1 minus G2 H1 plus G1 G2 H2. A answer is correct. You can see this answer G1 G2 upon 1 plus G1 G2 H2 minus G2 H1. A answer is correct. So it is very simple. No need to simplify. You will get the answer. But if your concept is clear, then and then only you will get it. Okay. So आपकी प्रैक्टिस के बाद क्या होनी चाहिए, आपका इतना फास्ट आना चाहिए कि ये सब कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं होनी चाहिए. You will get it. Okay. So thank you very much. I have given the answers also, and one more part I am developing, that is lecture number 22, part number 5. Okay, and then I will start the unit number 2, time domain specification. Again, maybe around 10-11 lectures will be there, and then around 4 to 5 MCQ or that is objective questions I will develop. Because if you see, mostly examiner is asking more and more questions on the control system. So this subject is very important to get the job or to clear the GATE or IAS examination. Again, thank you very much to listen it. Please subscribe the channel and share it. Thank you.